Dear friends, let us learn the tips to profit from the stock markets. So, let us learn from the best investor, all-time best investor, and the fourth richest man in the world. One of his quote is, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." So, in markets, you have to be patient. And let us see the major rules told by him. Rule number one: never lose money. This seems so simple, but it's very difficult in the current scenario where in the startup culture everybody risks everything, even the money that they don't have, to make more money in the future. So the first and foremost concept is never lose money. Never take a risky bet where you may think that there is a high chances of losing money. And the rule number two is never forget rule number one. So you always have to make sure that you need to make use of your money to create wealth for yourself. And he has delivered 18.7% compounded return from the past 53 years. That's how he became the legend. And he is the CEO of the Berkshire Hathaway. Before learning our first tip today, let us see how people behave in the stock market environment. And this is the most hilarious cartoon that I had come across once I started trading right after college. So this is how people behave in real life also. So my simple tip to profit from stock markets is stop following hot tips in market. Always check the logic behind the selection. Because a person investing 1 crore in a portfolio of 100 crores is different from the person investing 1 crore in a portfolio of 2 crores. So it is very much required that you understand the logic why we are investing in a particular stock. Before getting into any stock, do your own 360-degree analysis of the business you are getting into, from operations, profit and loss, and cash flow point of view. It's your hard-earned money, so you have to do your own due diligence. Soch Samajkar Invest Kar is one of the most important slogan of NSE. You always invest in what you understand. You don't get into a random stock because of the advice given by the unknown person. Every person is unique in his skill set and capabilities. For example, a doctor is well versed with pharmaceutical companies and healthcare startups. A banker or a CA can easily analyze a housing finance company or a bank or an insurance company. An engineer, based on their professional background, may be exposed to various economic indicators, like an oil and gas engineer is acquainted with the international crude price movements, an automobile engineer closely follows the monthly sales figures, and a construction engineer knows how well the construction companies works. No one knows your circumstances better than yourself. So before investing in any stock, always make sure that it fits well into your existing portfolio, from the expected returns and your risk-taking capabilities and the timeline for which you can commit those funds. That's it for today, friends. Hope you find it useful and use it in your wealth creation journey. Thank you.